Okay, let's take a look at 3.16, había más verbos. So these are more verbs that we're looking at. And remember, everything that you've learned so far in Spanish, you have to put all of those skills, all of that vocabulary to work now to figure out the vocabulary list that you're looking at. So we've got ¿Dónde estamos cuando no estamos en la escuela? So where are we when we're not in school? So right now, when you see the word ¿Dónde, meaning where, you're going to know that you're going to have a lot of places. And you're going to have a lot of things that you would do in those places. So let's kind of take a look at some of this vocabulary. So here we go, yo. So you know that this next one is a verb, and it's conjugated in the yo form, so that you're talking about I do something, and then the place that you do it. This is a cognate, so obviously restaurante is restaurant. So I something in a restaurant. Now remember that the verb, it's conjugated. Normally it would end in AR. Okay, so normally that verb would be trabajar. Now, you could eat in a restaurant, you could do a lot of things. You got to be kind of a little detective. She's got a little name tag on and a hat, so what do you think she might be doing? She's working, okay? So trabajar means to work, okay? Now, once you know that it's trabajar, remember, you can also go down here to the dictionary, and we've got English, Spanish, Spanish, English. So we're going to look under T, and you're going to look for trabajar, and it means to work, okay? So there's lots of kind of detective ways that you can figure out what the vocabulary is. So here we've got a different person. Now look, it ends in A, okay? So it's not I work, it's she works, Maria, so it's Maria trabaja, Maria works in el supermercado. And again, supermarket, okay? You can tell that from super probably, and if you needed to, you could always look up that vocabulary also. Ustedes, so it's a different form of a verb. So remember that ustedes ending is an. So the real word is bailar. That one's pretty easy. The picture is of two people dancing. So ustedes bailan would be you are dancing. But again, the vocabulary is not bailan that you need to know. It's bailar. So if you needed to say I dance, you'd say, or I am dancing, you'd say bailo, etc. All right, so here, nosotros tomamos una merienda, okay? Merienda means a snack, and tomamos, what would you do for a snack? Okay, you're going to eat it, so you're going to take a snack or have a snack. So nosotros tomamos una merienda, we are going to eat a snack. Here we've got esta es, remember way back in Module 1, we had esta es mi amiga, right? So this one is esta es una merienda. So this is an example of a snack that you might have. Esta es una merienda. So you could have a sandwich for a snack, or you could have some sort of cookies and coffee or ice cream or hot chocolate or whatever that is for a snack. All right? Un refresco. Look at the picture. What is that right there? That is some sort of beverage, okay? So in this case, it's a soda. So este es un refresco, soda bottle. Tu tomas un refresco. What would you do to a beverage? You're going to drink it. Okay, so we've got some examples here. All right, here we go. We're going to keep going. Las amigas charlan. Okay, and again, the verb is charlar, and you could look that up, but what would you do on the phone? You would chat or talk on the phone. So charlar means to talk or to chat. Ellos charlan. Charlar is tener una conversación. So to chat is to, or charlar is to have a, and again, it's a cognate. Conversación, conversation. All right, el mar is a place. It's the ocean or the sea. And what would you do in the sea? Obviously, you would swim. So nadar means to swim. Now, Juanita isn't swimming. What is she doing? She's sunbathing. She's taking in the sun. So ella tomó el sol would be how you would say sunbathing. Okay? The family is in the sea. What is this? Este es? That is the sun. Okay? And this was sunbathing. So you should be able to figure that out through your kind of detective work. Again, taking in the sunbathing. Practica football. They're all cognates. Remember, football in a Spanish-speaking context means soccer. So he is practicing. The verb is practicar. And the last one, preparar, means, what do you think? It's cognate, so it would be to prepare a snack. And then the last one over here, mirar la televisión. What would you do to a television? You would watch it.